What if I told you the creatives making 6 figures in 26 Siki aren't the ones waiting around? They're mastering 9A skills right now. Let's explore what separates the wealthy creators from everyone else. The foundation of A-wealth is precision prompting. Learn to craft detailed, layered prompts that produce gallery-quality outputs consistently. Artists commanding 5 key flows per project understand the psychology of A model's negative prompts. Style modifiers and technical parameters are your leverage against competitors. Don't rely on one platform. Master Midjourney, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and emerging tools simultaneously. Professional studios combine outputs across tools, using each for specific strengths. This versatility lets you offer client solutions competitors simply can't deliver alone. Rich creators blend A generation with traditional design. Use A for ideation and base assets, then refine in Photoshop, Blender, or Procreate. This hybrid approach produces premium deliverables, commanding 3x standard rates. Clients pay for polished, unique work, not raw eye output. Technical skills mean nothing without visibility. Build a portfolio on Behance or personal sites showcasing eye-enhanced work. Engage on LinkedIn and Twitter, share your process, collaborate with brands. The wealthiest A artists aren't the best technical creators, they're the best marketers of their craft. Ready to master these skills? Subscribe for deep dive guides on each skill, and drop a comment below. Which eye skill are you prioritizing first?